All of us here now, one billiard ball of black color will hit the two pink color billiard balls and both will move symmetrically with velocities v and v, and they are making angle theta with the horizontal. So this is angle theta. If I take the three balls separately, from here to here distance is r, from here to here distance is 2r, and we need to find out what is angle theta here now. For that you can take sin theta is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse, total length is going to be 2r, which is 1 by 2, and this can be taken as theta as 30 degrees from this separate three balls colliding with each other. Now previously first ball was moving, two balls were at rest, so conservation of momentum, if you consider m into u is equal to, and the second body's mass was 2m, but velocity was 0 because both were at rest. After collision first body is coming to rest, that means m into 0, and these two bodies are moving in this direction, so we can take the component of this is v cos theta and component of this is again v cos theta here. Okay, because both are making angle theta with the horizontal. Then what is after collision? You have to consider both the masses. You can take mv. After collision it is going to be mv cos theta plus mv cos theta, that is 2mv cos theta for both the bodies which are moving in the symmetrically in these directions. Then what are we going to get here now? So we're getting mu is equal to, this is 0, this is 0. After that we're going to be mv cos theta, which is going to be 30 here. So it is getting cancelled. So what is v here now? V is going to become u by 2 cos 30 degrees, which is going to be u by 2 into cos 30, which is root 3 by 2. So your answer is u by root 3. So we got final velocity as u by root 3. Now what you have to find out here? You have to find out the coefficient of restitution in this case. And you all know that the formula for coefficient of restitution is E is equal to final velocity difference by initial velocity difference. That's it. And you all know this is going to be 0 and this is going to be 0. So V2, this is U2 and this is V1. Before collision, both were at rest. After collision, first will come to rest. So you'll be getting like this. V2 is nothing but V here. And this is going to be 0 by u1 is nothing but u cos 30, and that is going to be 0 here again. So we'll be getting v by u cos 30, which is root 3 by 2. Okay, so and already you know that the value of v is here. How much we got the value? U by root 3. We got the value of v as u by root 3. So u by root 3, and this is u root 3 by 2. U gets cancelled here. Finally, what is left? You'll be getting 2. This is root 3 by 2. So what is left? 2 comes to the numerator, and root 3 into root 3 comes to the denominator. Therefore, coefficient of restitution will become 2 by 3. This is your answer. That's it. Thank you very much.